I'm Bill.
And I'm Cindy Van Ness.
And we're producers for HarmonyOrganic. We have been for 3 years now. I knew that Harmony had a good reputation for quality milk, and that's what I wanted to produce. I like the smaller setting of HarmonyOrganic as opposed to the larger co-op. I felt a more homey feeling. We started transition to organic 10 years ago with land. Just basically I had to add cows to organic land. We milk about 280 cows here with Jerseys and Jersey Cross Holsteins. Producers respect their animals a lot better, like it's a priority. Calves are very healthy, and I don't have problems with sick cows.
It was a big priority for Bill to have the cows outside on grass, which is how cows are naturally meant to be fed.
I like to see the cows in a tighter area and keep moving on to new pasture. It gives the land a good rest, and I believe I'm seeing the results, especially on a dry year like this.
We have 6 children. The oldest is a boy, he's 14, and then there's 4 girls, and then the youngest is a boy and he's 2. I think the best thing is just the space. Just being out here, out in the open.
Being outdoors and being with the cows and the environment and the wildlife.
The children love it here. They can run, they can play, and they have an appreciation for growing things. We grow our food in the gardens, and the kids can really appreciate where their food comes from.
There's some sunflowers over there. Lettuce. Tomatoes. Potato.